Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super relevant for all smartphone users. The software experience after updates. We all get those notifications. The exciting promise of new features and improvements. But how often do those updates actually deliver? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about the initial excitement. A software update notification pops up, and it's like Christmas morning. New features, enhanced performance, and sometimes, even a fresh new look. We eagerly tap that "Install" button, anticipating a whole new phone experience. This is a common experience, isn't it? Then comes the download and installation. Depending on your internet speed, this can be a quick process or a time-consuming wait. Patience is key here. Once installed, the phone reboots, and the moment of truth arrives. Does everything work as advertised? Immediately after the update, you'll want to check a few key areas. Start with the basics. Is the phone running smoothly? Are apps opening and closing without issues? Are the animations fluid? Any lag or stuttering is a red flag. Pay attention to how quickly your phone responds to your commands. This is crucial for overall user satisfaction. Next, explore the new features. What's new? Did they add a cool camera mode? Maybe the interface got a makeover. Take some time to play around with the updated features. See if they're actually useful and if they enhance your daily usage. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: battery life. This is often the biggest concern after an update. Does your phone drain faster? Updates sometimes introduce new processes that consume more power. Monitor your battery usage closely. If it's significantly worse, this is a major negative. Also, check your apps. Not all apps are immediately compatible with new software. This can lead to crashes, glitches, or even complete failure to launch. Make sure all your frequently used apps are working correctly. Check their functionality thoroughly. Another important aspect is stability. Does the phone crash or freeze unexpectedly? Software updates can introduce bugs. If you experience frequent crashes, you might need to revert to a previous version or wait for a bug fix. Security is another critical point. Updates often include security patches. Check that your phone's security features are functioning as expected. It is essential to ensure your data stays safe. Verify that the update has, in fact, addressed potential vulnerabilities. Finally, the user interface and overall experience. Has the update improved the user interface? Is it more intuitive and user-friendly? Consider how easy it is to navigate the new features and settings. A good interface is key for a good experience. So, what's the verdict? Software updates can be a mixed bag. Some offer significant improvements, while others introduce issues. Always back up your data before updating. Research the update online to see what other users are experiencing. By carefully evaluating all these aspects, you can determine whether a software update is truly a step forward for your smartphone experience. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of smartphones, specifically focusing on the software experience after updates. We all know how crucial software is to our daily phone usage. But how much does an update really change things? Let's find out. First off, why are software updates so important? Well, they're not just about new features. Updates often bring crucial security patches, fixing vulnerabilities that could expose your personal data. They also optimize the existing software, improving performance and battery life. Plus, updates introduce new features, enhancing the overall user experience. Let's talk about performance. Has your phone become faster or slower after the update? Many updates are designed to improve performance. Apps might launch quicker, multitasking could be smoother, and the phone might feel generally more responsive. But sometimes, updates can have the opposite effect, especially on older devices. This is where it's important to understand your phone's hardware limitations. Then there's the battery life. Does your phone last longer, or does the battery drain faster post-update? Battery performance is often a key focus of software updates. Optimization can lead to improved power management, giving you more screen on time. However, some updates might introduce new features that consume more power. Keep an eye on your battery usage statistics to see which apps are the biggest drains. Now, about the user interface, or UI. Did the update bring any UI changes? Maybe new icons, a different layout, or updated animations? UI changes are common and can significantly impact how you interact with your phone. Sometimes, these changes are great, making the phone more intuitive and user-friendly. Other times, they can be a bit jarring, requiring some getting used to. What about new features? Did the update introduce any exciting new capabilities? These could include enhanced camera modes, improved privacy settings, or new ways to customize your phone. New features are a major selling point of updates, so it's always fun to explore what's new. Security is paramount, right? Does the update include the latest security patches? These patches are critical for protecting your data from malware and cyber attacks. Make sure you understand the security updates your phone is receiving and how they protect you. One thing to note is the update process itself. Did the update install smoothly, or did you encounter any issues? A smooth update ensures minimal disruption, while issues can be frustrating. Always back up your data before updating, just in case. Finally, what are your thoughts? Did the software update improve your phone experience? Let us know in the comments below. We're always interested in hearing about your experiences and sharing them with the community. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights. Thanks for watching.